Holland.
Yes, I'm from Amsterdam. Let's go. This is the car?
This side.
Suzuki.
Yeah,
Oh, it's the other side. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. What am I doing? My first driving lessons in Nepal. Let's go. Oh my god. Okay, I'm big, huh?
Okay.
Yes? Oh, I'm too big, man.
You drive the car?
I think I'm big. I'm too big.
Yeah.
All right. It's the camera.
Okay.
The clutch.
Oh,
This one, eh?
this one clutch.
Yeah.
Okay. First gear.
It's on the other side. Oh
this
my
side.
god. Should I wear my seatbelt?
Yes, yes.
Yes? It's mandatory? Oh my god. It's hot, eh?
Okay. First gear. Handbrake. Down
Handbrake, that's a very good one. Okay,
Let's go. This side.
the other side.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, nice.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
It's good for my first lesson. All right, let's go.
You blogger?
Gravel?
You are blogger? YouTuber?
Yes. This is my first vlog. So
First
I'm.
vlog?
Yes, this is the first one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be famous. Who knows?
Your channel name?
My
YouTube?
channel name I will give you later on, okay?
Okay, okay.
Now I need to focus on the road.
Okay, okay, okay.
Should I go this way?
Okay, okay. Let's
Oh
go.
my
Let's
God.
go. Slow. Brake. Oh. Slowly.
Slowly, more slow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go straight. Go straight.
Should I go to second gear?
Okay, okay.
It's going pretty fine, don't you think?
Nice drive.
Good driver?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show them the road?
No, no. This side. This area.
Yeah, I know. But the camera. Show the camera. Like this. Yes.
Like this, yeah.
Show them the road.
Sony camera.
Sony camera. So how long are you a driving instructor? For a long time?
Long time, 5 years.
5 years already?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I go this way?
Okay, okay.
But first the gear?
First gear and go. Oh.
Oh. Yes.
Start. Close. Okay. First gear and let's go. Accelerator.
I know.
Okay. ये start करो. Start. Okay. Push accelerator. And okay. Accelerator.
Oh, what's happening?
Okay, let's go. Accelerator. Push. Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay.
You stay Tamil?
Sorry?
Stay
No, I stay here.
here.
Yes, and I walked by. I was like, oh my god, this is so interesting to see. Because in Holland, getting your license is different.
Yeah.
It's so much different. It's cool. I think it's very cool.
You have license in your country?
Yes, I have. But we drive on the other side, huh?
Yeah,
We drive
this
on this
side,
side.
this side, yeah.
Yes.
Look traffic light.
Traffic light. Oh, I almost go through red.
Red. Red, yellow, or green go.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready for go. And green and let's go.
I didn't even see the light.
This camera is nice.
Yes, you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Hello. हजुर साथी म गाडी सिकाउँदैछु नि कहाँ हो आफू ए ल म नि अब निस्किन्छु नि एकछिन गाडी सिकाएर म नयाँ गाडी सिकाइरहेको छु क्या एकजनालाई अनि त्यसपछि यो सकिन्छ अनि आउँछु म 13 मिनट भयो आधी घन्टा सिकाउने हो
Oh, this is bad. Oh, I'm so bad. Hey, where are the keys? They fell out. The key fell out.
Yeah.
How is this possible? Okay. Can you make movie of me driving by outside, or you need to stay in the vehicle? Yes, to film me outside.
Okay.
Yes, possible. I will stay here. I don't drive away.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Okay. Done. This side? Okay. Let's go. भाइ खिच्दै भन्थ्यो
Yes.
Yes.
Go Nepal.
Jai Nepal. राम्रो पनि भ्लग निकाल्दिउँ क्या
Yes, all right.
Okay, stop. I'm coming.
So, how did I do?
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Good.
How do you feel?
Yeah.
Yes, you also feel good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one more round, okay?
Okay.
And then I'm finished. Oh. This is so cool to experience. It's so different than in my country, you know?
Different, na?
Yeah, it's very different. And that's why I like to do it. I like driving, you know?
You like driving?
Yes.
I like driving.
You like driving too?
Yeah.
Nice. That's so cool. How long do you have your driving license?
5 years.
5 years already. Okay. And the road here is a good simulation for the real thing here in Nepal.
How old are you?
What do you think?
How old are you?
What do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
27.
27?
Yes.
I'm 24.
24?
Yeah.
Oh, almost the same. But still young. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still young, eh? We're not old yet. Right?
How long your height?
How long I go hiking?
Height.
Oh, height. Like
6'2"?
187?
87?
Yes. Yeah, something like this. Yes, but in Holland people are tall.
Yeah.
Big. Huh? Alright, shall I park it here? Park?
Yeah.
In the reverse?
Reverse?
Okay, let's try.
Okay.
Like this and then back.
Look this mirror
Yeah.
and slowly. This side, look this side.
Ah. Oh, it fell out again.
Yeah.
How is it possible?
Look this side. Two side.
Now it's good, eh?
Yeah, good, good.
Oh my god, what a shame. Oh, it fell out again.
Turn this side, left right side. Stop.
Alright,
Okay.
yes.
Neutral, handbrake, and off.
And off. Good?
Good.
Thank you, instructor.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Oh my god, it's so hot, eh? Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, this was my driving lessons in Nepal. Amazing. Look at this. The Suzuki. And my friend, my driving instructor. Thank you, my guy.
Okay.
That's so cool. So come here for your driving lessons, Bahmati Driving Center. Alright. This was so cool. Thank you, man. Thank you. Nice driving? Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. So, will I get my license now? I'm just kidding.
You already license.
Yeah, I already have a license. Alright, I will take my bag and then leave. The bag. Yes. Alright, I wish you the best of luck, man.
Okay.
Many safe kilometers, eh? Thank you, guys. See you later, eh? Ciao. Alright. This was the driving lessons. Oh my god. It's so fucking hot in this car. Look at this. I drove this. Suzuki 800. Let's go. What's up? Oh my god. Freaking hot, man. Sweating. Those cars don't have air conditioning, which I understand, but that's why I'm overheated at this moment. Those guys over there were like, "Who is this guy wanting to drive over here?" I thought it was a cool experience for you guys to follow. So, see you later. Namaste. Hello. Bye bye. Oh my god, so hot. I need to take a taxi to go to the tourist board to get a permit to get into the Himalayas. So that's gonna be the next step. I'm gonna cool down for a second here. I'll wait for a taxi to come by. So let's wait. Taxi. Namaste, my friend. Hello. Nepal Tourism Board, you know? Yes. For the permit, you know? Prada Shani. Yes? Okay. Oh my god. I just had my first driving lessons. I had my driving lessons to get my Nepali license.
Yeah.
Yes, that's so cool. It's Suzuki 800.
Suzuki 800.
Yes, I drove it. What a nice car, man. What a nice car. Here we go. Off to the tourism board. How much?
400 rupees.
Sorry?
400 rupees.
400. Okay. What's your name?
Rajendra.
Oh, Narendra. Nice. Kathmandu traffic, crazy. Seems like, what is this? An embassy?
No,
Encel? Oh! Can I buy a SIM card here?
Yeah.
Oh, I need to have one. Encel. Need to buy an Encel SIM card, guys, because those are the best in Nepal. Encel. So I can go to the Himalayas and still be able to call and have internet. That's why.